All right, we got two fair dice being thrown simultaneously. Keep in mind, it's pretty much the same as throwing them one after another. All right, random variable D is the difference between the smaller and the larger score, or 0 if they're the same. They want a probability distribution table. So let's go ahead and make a table for our dice. We've got 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 for the first one, and then again for the second one. What I want you to do is pause this and then set up the table yourself. Remember, you're doing the differences. 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1. Pause. All right, hopefully you did that. Let me show you what I got. It's pretty simple, and you'll notice you start getting a pattern once you do it. And then once we have all the table filled out, well, these are all the possibilities. And so after we've got the whole thing, we can take a look around and we can see, well, the smallest number we could possibly get is a 0, and the biggest number we could possibly get is a 5. We can get a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4. So all I got to do is set up my table now. My D's can have the possible values of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What I want you to do is pause this and then fill in the corresponding probabilities for each one of those. So go ahead and pause it, and then fill in the probability for each one. All right, hopefully you did that. I got 6 out of 36 for the zeros, and then I've got 10 out of 36 for the ones, and then I've got 8 out of 36 for the 2s, and 6 out of 36, 4 out of 36, and then 2 out of 36. You'll notice it's not unusual for us not to reduce them. The reason for that is because it makes it a lot easier to quickly check and make sure that they all add up to 1 at the end. There's no like hard and fast rule about making sure. I've seen the probability tables where they reduce them, and I've also seen them where they leave them just like this. So don't get too hung up about the reducing of the fractions. It actually works in your advantage not to sometimes in this case. That's it. There's our probability distribution table. All right, thanks for watching.